Good day, everybody. Have I got something fantastic for you? Check this out. First thing, Big Ronnie is back. The dream team is once again reunited. Second, you show up to the job and it's ready to go. Yeah, it's cold. We got snow. You got to haul everything into the house. But this is awesome. Subfloor is clean, ready to go. No nails, no staples. Here's our layout. We're doing a little engineered floors. Weaver Monte Carlo. Denim Blues is the color. I think that was, I hope I got it right. But we got a bedroom hallway. Little, I wouldn't call that a little hallway. It's got a lot going on here. But the dream team can handle this, and then a couple steps down to there. So I'm excited about this one. Personally, I just love laying carpet. And then, like I said, the dream team, Big Ronnie is back. So let's go. Check in with you soon. So here we are back at it. I've got my fill piece cut. I did a little notching here to get my fill piece for the hallway. And Big Ronnie, he's ahead of me. He's putting the tack strip, the cushion down. And we're rocking and rolling. So I think what we're going to do is get the hallway cleaned up here and then pull the hallway piece in. And fingers crossed, in a perfect world, I notch this thing right. Stay tuned. Look at this mess, though. Wait, I got to share a little share a little tip with you. Run your seam tape past your seam. A lot of guys are always worried about, oh, you're wasting seam tape. The thing is I find a lot of guys, what they do is they pull their seam iron out, piss around trying to get it into the tray while that's sitting there. What you can do is run your seam iron past, put your seam together, then put your seam iron in the tray. Not have to worry about compromising on your seam. So there's my tip. The boys are back in town on the stretcher. Let's go. So we've got everything seamed up, the living room and the hallway. And I did take a stretch across there, turned it around, stretch across here, got this wall set. And I'm going to get this this living room banged out quick so we have just a place to cut our steps and whatnot. But, everything's pile her up in the hallway. Got the bedroom ready to go. Ronnie is getting cushion on the steps. So I'm predicting about 2 hours we're gonna be done. What do you think, Ron?
Yep, 2 hours.
Let's go. Folks, living room's done. We're busting into the hallway. Getting that all stretched, getting through here. I'm gonna take a couple stretch up this way, and then I'm gonna stretch into the closet, stretch this way, stretch up to here, hook onto this, and I can finally get into the bedroom. So, Ronnie, we're gonna make it.
We are gonna make it.
Ronnie's taking on the steps. That's just nice. I tell you what, there is no reason anybody should work by themselves because it is just a lot of work. I don't care. You just can't say, oh, it's only 65, 70 yards of carpet. Hell no. There's a lot of work involved. Here we go. Final countdown. Getting a box upholstered. Steps are done. And here we go. Bedroom's done. Looks nice. We'll get everything vacuumed up here and rock and roll. We are done. Another job complete. Steyr flooring winning through the hallway. This is all stretched in too. No shortcuts taken. And then back into the living room. Vacuumed up, ready to go, move in. Let's celebrate. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.